Hello friends, I am Siam Aset and you are watching my channel. So let's subscribe my channel and press this bell icon to watch latest updated video firstly. Welcome friends. In this video we are going to learn bisection method by using this class width calculator. Class width calculator means this type of calculator. By learning this method we can solve bisection method within a minute. So let's start. In this tutorial, I am going to take this question. Find the root of 2x minus log 10x minus 7 is equal to 0 up to 4 decimal places. At first, we have to consider function of x, that is, let fx is equal to 2x minus log 10x minus 7 is equal to 0. Then we have to find the value of fx with the two number. Two number indicates the upper value and the lower value in this way. The function of 3 and the function of 4, if we put the value of 3 in this equation, then we will get this value, that is minus 1.47713, and if we put the value of 4 in this equation, then we will get this value 0.39794. We can also find this initial value 3 and 4 from this calculator. So follow this step from the calculator. To find the initial value 3 and 4 of this equation, we have to follow this step. At first, we have to click on this mode. After this, we have to select this 9 option, that is the table. Then we have to type this equation in this calculator. So let's type 2 alpha x minus log 10x alpha x minus 7. Then press this equal to. Type write 1. Then we have to specify the range, that is, the table will start from the value of x is equal to 1 and it will into x is equal to 5 with a difference of 1. So let's start. So in this table we can see the value of 3 and 4, that is minus 1.477, and the value of 4 is 0.3979, that is written here, and the value of 3 is less than 0 and the value of 4 is greater than 0. In this way we can find the initial value of an equation. So take positive value 4, that is this is positive value, so take positive value 4 as upper limit value, then x is equal to 4. Then take negative value 3 as lower limit value, that is xl is equal to 3, that is this negative value, so we have to take the 3 as lower limit value. Then to solve directly from calculator, now follow this step. Consider upper limit value, that is xu is equal to variable a and xl is equal to b in this calculator, that is variable a and b denotes the upper limit value and the lower limit value. So at first draw this table in copy, this type of table. In the first column we have to write the number of iteration, that is n value. In second column we have to write the upper limit value. In third column we have to write lower limit value. In fourth column we have to take the average of this upper limit value and the lower limit value. Then we have to find the value of this function considering the value of this x. By putting the value of this mean value in this equation, we can find the value of this last column. So after drawing this table, type in this form in calculator. That is x is equal to a plus b by 2 semicolon, that is this ratio sign, then 2x minus log 10x minus 7 in this calculator. At first we have to change the mode again back to 1, then we have to type this in this form in this calculator. That is a denotes the upper limit value, that is this, and b denotes the lower limit value, and this whole expression denotes this value, and this is the our question. So let's start to type in the calculator. So press this alpha button, then x, then again this equal to then alpha, then we have to click here, then alpha, sorry, no alpha, then 2 alpha x minus log 10 x minus 7. Then after writing in this form, just press this button, solve button. At first we have to write the value of this a, and at first we have to take the initial value as 4 and 3. 4 represent the upper limit value and the 3 represent the lower limit value, and at first it will ask the value of a, then you have to write the 4, and after writing 4, then press this equal to button, then we have to write this value xl, that is b, that is 3, then after writing 3, then press it's equal to button, then after this it will show this value, that is the this fourth column value, that is 3.5, then again press the equal to button, then it will show the last column value, that is this value. Then after filling this column, simply you have to click is equal to sign, then we have to change the value of a and b. At first we have the two conditions to change the value of a and b. The condition is if fx is equal to negative, then if this value is negative, then the value of this first column, that is xu, will remain same, and the value of this column, that is xl, will change, and this value will change to this value, a fourth column value. And if the function of x, this value is positive, then the second value, that is xu value, will change to this value, that is this mean value, and the xl value will remains the same. So by applying this condition, we can solve this equation, and in this first iteration we can see the value of fx is negative, so the condition first apply. So from this first condition, the value of xu remains the same, and the value of xl changes to this value 3.5, that is xl is equal to x, that is 3.5. Then in this way we have to change the value of the iteration. Then we have to change the value in this calculator also. At first it will ask this the value to enter. For a, in the second iteration the value will be 4, then type 4, then equal to, and for b the value in the second iteration would be 3.5. then press equal to button. Then after this it will show this value 3.75, then press equal to button, then it will show this value, then press equal to button, and it will go in third iteration. Then in third iteration we can also see the value of fx in the second iteration is negative, so the value of xu will remain same, and the value of xl will change to this value, that is 3.75. so equal to then we have to write the value of a as 4, the value of b as 3.75. then in this way it will show this value 3.875, then press equal to, then it will show this value 0.16173, then write this value in copy. Then after this, for the fourth iteration we can see the value of fx, that is for the third iteration, is positive, so the condition this apply. If the value of fx is positive, then xu is equal to x, that is this value will change to this value and the xl remains the same. So let's change the value of a, that is upper limit value xu, that is we have to write this value 3.875. and after this we have to write this value 3.75, and press equal to, then it will show this value, then press equal to, then it will show this value. Then in this way we can solve up to the iteration to the 4 decimal places. So in this way calculate till 4 decimal places match up this variable x. Then in the 14th iteration and in the 15th iteration we can see the value of this variable, that is x variable, is matching up to 4 decimal places. So we stop the iteration. In this way we can find the root of any equation by using the bisection method. So thank you, and if you like this video then please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.